Hi, welcome back to our Nami. I'm Rohan. So today we are going to make Jamaican chicken. Let's get to it.
First, we are going to make the jerk masala. The jerk masala is the main ingredient in the Jamaican chicken. So, the first component is spring onions. We are going to add about half kg of spring onions. About 6 to 8 garlic cloves. One thumb ginger, three chilies, about 2 to 3 bay leaves, 7 to 8 cloves, 3 pinches of cinnamon powder, three tablespoons soya sauce, 2.5 teaspoon of tamarind paste, add salt to taste, then coriander powder, some basil leaves. This is a peri-peri masala. We are going to add about 1 teaspoon of it. Now add half cup of brown sugar. Now we have to blend it. Now it's time to marinate the chicken. Use only about 3/4 of the jerk masala. The rest we are going to use it for making the jerk flavored barbecue sauce. So I suggest you leave it for a minimum of 2 to 3 hours or overnight. Next, we are going to make the barbecue sauce. We are going to add about 2 big onions chopped. Add 6 cloves of garlic, one thumb ginger, add the rest of the jerk masala. Now add 5 to 6 tablespoons of brown sugar. Add about 1 cup of ketchup. Wait for about 20 to 35 minutes. You could see the onion becoming a paste. Now you have to blend them. Now here we have heated an electric grill. We'll brush some oil over it. Now we'll place the chicken. So what we want is just the chicken skins to be charred a little bit. We don't want to cook them all over, so we'll put it at high heat and just get the skin crispy a bit. You could check on them after 5 minutes. If it is charred properly, you could put the barbecue sauce over it. After that, wait for another 5 minutes. You could take them out. Now, the chicken is not properly cooked at the moment. The skin is just crispy and charred a bit. Now we have to put it inside the oven. So now we'll brush the plate that we are going to place in the oven. Brush it properly with some oil. Now we place the chicken on it. So here already I have preheated the oven to about 230 degrees Celsius. We'll place the chicken there for about 30 to 40 minutes. And voila, and then it's ready to eat.
എന്തുവാ കാണിക്കുന്നത്?